From Stockworks Gold, we are now speaking with CEO and Director Nasim Tyab. Nasim, welcome. This is our first time getting to speak with you. So let's begin with a bit of an introduction, please. Can you tell us a bit about Stockworks Gold, the company, the team, the project portfolio?
Yes, certainly, Danielle. Stockworks Gold is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange, and it is moving forward with a project in Brazil called Pirenópolis. It's it's very interesting in that it is in Brazil, which has a similar geologic potential to Canada, but only a fraction of the money spent in exploration. So we find Brazil a very attractive jurisdiction. The other thing is that Paranopoulos was the site of a district scale gold rush. You know, a very large gold rush, and it was early. It was mid 1700s to late 1800s, whereas the gold rushes in Canada, Alaska, Australia, they happened in the late 1800s. So this was pre-dynamite, pre-mechanized mining, but a bedrock source to the gold has not yet been found. And that is what we are endeavoring to do.
Those are very exciting words for geologists out there. I understand it is a greenfield project within a historic gold rush district, and you are about to start exploration. Please, would you tell us about what these first steps of exploration are looking like?
Yes, so basically, what we've done is we've done a drone magnetic survey. So that's complete. Our next step will be systematic soil sampling. So the magnetic survey, along with the sampling, will define drill targets for us. And so we expect to be drilling the Paranopoulos Gold Project first quarter of next year. The soil work we expect to start within the next couple of weeks.
So I understand it is close enough to Brasilia in Brazil. Can you tell us a little bit more, please, about this neighborhood, about the jurisdiction, maybe in terms of things like geology, infrastructure, the permitting process?
Uh, yes, certainly. So as far as where Paranopoulos is, it's about a 2 hour drive outside of Brasilia, the nation's capital. It's in the state of Goiás, which is a mining friendly state. And so we feel it's a very good jurisdiction. You know, the permitting process moves fairly efficiently. So again, we expect that we should be able to start drilling late first quarter, early second quarter of next year, and that'll be basically defined by the magnetic survey we do and the soil work we do. So it's a great jurisdiction. A lot of success has come out of Brazil. You know, I mentioned that it's got similar geologic potential to Canada, but for every dollar spent in Canada, only half a cent's been spent in Brazil. And part of that is because 100% ownership wasn't allowed until the 1980s. And so we are very excited about the Paranopoulos Gold Project. It's high potential. It's in a geologic belt that also hosts the Paracatu mine, which is in Brazil. It's one of the largest surface gold mines in the world. It's operated by Kinross, over 16 million ounces. It's low grade on surface, but very profitable. And that is the type of deposit we're looking for. Again, we're on the same belt. Big tectonic events occurred at Paracatu. We see the same thing in Brazil. So it really is, although it's greenfield, it's very high impact. We are looking for a large deposit. And again, that was a very large gold rush, district scale. And so the source of the gold, bedrock source, has not been found yet, and that's what we're up to.
Well, we're very excited to go on the treasure hunt with you. Finally, Nasim, can you remind us what are those next big catalysts for your investors moving forward?
Well, the commencement of the soil work, and then as we examine all the data, the definition of drill targets, and concurrent to that, we'll probably be doing some financing before the end of the year. And basically, we're well organized. We can move this along, we think, very quickly and efficiently. So I think it'll be an exciting time for shareholders.
Well, Nasim, thank you so much for today, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.
Okay, thank you, Danielle. It was a pleasure.